It's sad, short, but important. Coming up this week on Working Yourself Wednesday. Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Working Yourself Wednesday. I'm Corey Mosley. This is going to be a short one this week because I really just want to ask you to do one thing. Last week, we lost our bulldog of 8.5 years. And anytime you deal with death, whether it's a pet or it's a person, it makes you start to reflect. It's just a natural thing that we do. And one of the things that you start to reflect on is you start to think about relationships, quality of relationships. You start to think about friends. Did you do the right thing? Who haven't you talked to in a while? You start to think about that total picture. And really, when I think about it, Working Yourself Wednesday is really all about the things that you can be doing to grow as a person. That's not defined as how do I make more money or how do I sell more or how do I get more attention, but it encompasses all the areas of your life. So this week, on the eve of our loss, I want to encourage you to start to think about your relationships, the people around you. More importantly, the people that you haven't connected with. The people that if they were gone tomorrow, you will regret never having reached out to. Make that list. Who are the people that you've been too stubborn to call, you've been too stubborn to talk to, you've been too stubborn to apologize to? The people that really at the end of the day matter, because time isn't forever. Think about it. Take action. I'll see you next week.